Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video. The project we're going to talk about in this video is called SIMPSON Club, or simply SIMPSON. Now, I don't think there's any need to explain the origin of this token, this project. SIMPSON is a very popular cartoon. It is massively popular, not just in kids but also in adults as well. It is one of the most popular cartoons that are out there. So I don't think that part needs explanation. It's not officially associated with that cartoon, but it is made as a meme, kind of like as a fun, which I think is really great. Although we are going to talk about other aspects, kind of like how we can benefit from it. Of course, there's always a side to it from which the investors can benefit, the holders can benefit. So we are going to talk about that. Although it may surprise you because there's kind of like no actual way, like there's no reflection or some sort, but I'll still explain how you can benefit from it. But as always, anything that I'm going to say is not going to be an investment or a financial advice. So always do your own investigation and research. And with this out of the way, let's get right into it. Now, this is the official website of SIMPSON Club. I'm going to give you guys links that'll be in the description. Now, it says, SIMPSON, welcome to the greatest meme club. Now, we have a few links right off the start. It is on the Ethereum blockchain. You can buy it on the Uniswap. You also have it on the DEX tools as well. So it will be listed on CoinMarketCap pretty soon. This is the contract address on the Etherscan, so you can take a look at the information. Everything here is traceable, which makes it transparent and safe. Now, we do understand the concept of memes, so there's no kind of like mystery there. So you can tell from this picture, this is kind of like all the cartoon characters that are in it. Now, in the about section, it says it is a cryptocurrency that is inspired by SIMPSON, which we can tell pretty easily. With the vibrant brand and innovative technology, it is on the Ethereum blockchain. Every transaction that happens with the SIMPSON token, it is traceable. So that's what it's referring to. It says that it is the perfect choice for SIMPSON fans and savvy investors alike. Now, if there's any cardon that you like and one day you found out that there's a token there, that is based on it, that is made and a meme of it, of course people would want to get into it, because it's made for meme, but also it has other benefits, like for investors. In this, the kind of like the twist here is that there is no transaction fees. Like, there's literally no transaction fees, which in the start may seem like really odd, because usually we have seen that in meme projects there's a portion of the fees. Actually, usually the meme projects, they have a tax of minimum 5% or maximum sometimes 10% and 15%. We're going to take an average. I can tell, I reviewed a lot of projects. The average transaction fees in meme projects is about 10%, which is really a lot. But what they do is, in that 10%, they use a portion to burn it. Some of it goes to liquidity, some of it is it goes as reflection to holders, so that they are incentivized to keep on holding the token. In this one, there's none of that. So it does make us wonder, although it is made as a meme, but what makes it sustainable? How do we profit from it? What benefit is there for us? That actually is, which is actually a hidden benefit in this one. It is a cryptocurrency. It can be traded, it can be bought, it can be sold. The traders, they usually trade the cryptocurrencies, or when they trade cryptocurrencies or tokens, they trade the tokens that have really low transaction fees. Because let's say if they want to buy a meme token that has a transaction fees of 10%, when they buy it, they're taxed 10%. When they sell it, they're taxed 10%. So when they get in, when they get out, they are taxed 20%, which, even if they made a profit, that they'll probably have to pay more for the transaction fees than the profit that they make. So apparently there's no margin of profit left for them over there. So what they do is they just leave the meme tokens out, leave these tokens out that have transaction fees and 10%. But when there is no transaction fees, they can buy, they can sell anytime they want. That means more transactions, more holders, more people coming into it. And let's be fair, this is something unique that we haven't seen before. So obviously this is going to make a wave in the industry. It is definitely going to make a news at some point. So this is why I think this is great. This has a potential, even though it is a meme, but it does have a potential to go up. And right now we have an amazing opportunity because it is at a very low cap. We're very new into it. So we can buy a huge amount of tokens with just like really small amount of funds or assets. And then we can just wait and see how it goes. And I always say that, you know, in most of these projects are a startup, they're risky. Of course, they're risky, but they do offer high returns, possible high returns. Like there's there's low chance of profit, but if you do make a profit, that profit is going to be massive because you cannot make 1000x on Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's never going to be possible at this point, I think, not easily. But in these meme tokens, in these projects that are very low cap, here it is possible because I've seen very bad and very weak meme projects make it to 1 million or more market cap, and if they can make it to that market cap, it can go way beyond that. And right now, since it is on a very low market cap, I think this is really an opportunity that we should consider. Now, if you talk about the tokenomics, we have a total supply of 420 billion and 690 million. There's no tax. It says there's no bullshit. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Now, there is going to be an airdrop that is coming. It says SIMPSON coin has no association, which we already have said that it has no association with the Simpsons cartoons. This takes us. This token is simply paying homage to a meme we love and recognize. It is a meme coin with an intrinsic value or expectations of financial return. There is no formal theme or roadmap, which honestly at some point it is great. Like this is something that I personally want to try. Like it is unpredictable, and this is kind of like the factor that sometimes plays part in a token becoming popular instantly. And there's kind of like no use case in this. It's just the meme coin with no text you can buy. Pretty simple, straightforward, nothing complicated. It is sitting a very low market cap, but when it does get listed on exchanges, start making news out there, definitely people are going to come into it. They are going to buy the token. It is at a very low market cap, so even people with low, really less financial means, even they can invest as fun into it. And because of that, I think it's gonna, go very far. And we do have a potential to earn a profit from it. So I think this is something worth considering. So I'll give you guys links that will be in the description if you want to check it out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.